Happy holidays! Today we're biting into cheese-filled pork tenderloin, pumpkin pie, rosemary garlic bread, a tower of butter-baked sweet potatoes, and more. All homemade, and we're having a holiday-themed conversation.
Mina.
Hello, darlings! Today, Mom Mio and I are gonna be doing a holiday-themed mukbang. Once upon a time, I said I'm not gonna do mukbang anymore, but here's the thing, we're gonna do mukbang in moderation. Before anything else, thanks to the National Pork Board for sponsoring this video. So who's the National Pork Board? The National Pork Board represents America's pig farmers who are committed to giving back throughout the calendar year. I've partnered up with the National Pork Board before, and this time, we're celebrating their Hams Across America program, which is all about paying it forward with pork throughout the holiday season. You could donate ham to someone in need. You can also show some appreciation to your local fire department or police department. Tomorrow I'm going to get the spiraled ham and put pineapple in between and then put some glaze on there. And then I'm gonna drive it all the way to the local fire department. We have to put it in a different container so that it's more portable as we drive. Just delivered some ham to the fire department, and they're saying even on the holidays like Thanksgiving and on Christmas, they're working, they're at the fire station. So oftentimes they'll have their families come join them at work and have their holiday dinner there. I made a second one of these guys and we gave it to our neighbor. So we cooked two because one is for us to eat for the mukbang and another one is for our neighbor. We're gonna take the unique looking one and give the neat one to the neighbor. You could also cook a meal for a friend, in this case, for Mommy O. She's my mom and my friend, one of my best friends. She's my counselor, she's my...
Yeah, I know
everything. And she's also my hangry buddy. Food makes the world a better place.
And make people happy, very happy.
Yeah, it brings people together.
Yeah.
So back to Hams Across America. Last year in 2018, this program saw over 500,000 pounds of pork donated across America, which is about 2.2 million servings of pork. Without further ado, let's eat! Are you excited? I'm so excited. The star of the show, our entree, is the pork tenderloin. It has cheese inside, as well as spinach, quinoa, chives, thyme. And then I tied it up with twine. Oh, I get so excited when I do things with twine. Oh, it's like arts and crafts with food. Here we have a loaf of bread made with almond flour, flaxseed, olives, olive oil. Here we have sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes, they come with, well, I made a medjool date sauce with a little bit of a coconut milk. And then here we have candied nuts. Let's sprinkle some on here.
Sprinkle some here too.
Nice and sweet. So here we have the salad. The base is arugula with red onion, apple, pecan,
And almond.
and medjool date. We are going to have a conversation around the holidays. Since it is November, I want to ask you, what are 3 things you're grateful for?
First, having Mina.
You want some sweet potatoes?
Oh yeah.
This is my gift to you for saying you're thankful for having me. But you know what? I'm thankful for having you. Thank you for giving birth to me and also being my mother. Every one of us are lucky to be alive and to be here. There could have been a ton of other babies that could have popped out of your mom, but it was you. That's amazing. This gift called life, we all have. How do you like the salad? It's very simple. Just some olive oil on that.
Yeah.
Whatever meal we have, we like to start with some vegetables. It's still a little bit warm. This is the last thing I made. What are 2 other things you're thankful for?
I'm thankful for having my mom.
Thankful for daughter, thankful for the mom. You know what I miss the most about filming mukbang is talking about the food and then talking about life, talking about other things, not just the food. I'm pretty much a noob at this, but I'm learning. Every time you cook, you learn something new and you pick up all these skills one by one with each recipe. Ooh. We're both oohing.
Ooh, wow, look at this. What is the yellow part? Oh,
Butternut squash. So we made 2 of these and gave one to our neighbor earlier tonight.
so soft, Mina. It is almost senior friendly.
You have friends at the senior home.
Oh yeah, I have friends 80s, late 70s. I have lots of them.
You could give some of this to them because it's soft. You know what I love about this? When I made the filling, it was very cheesy and a bit salty, but the pork acts like a rice. You know, balances out all that flavor. You know the way I rolled it? It reminded me of like making kimbap, the Korean rolls. You put the filling and then you roll it up.
I'm also so thankful for you guys, to those who've been watching my channels for years and those new as well. To every single one of you, Thanksgiving or not, thank you. I'm also thankful to the National Pork Board for sponsoring this video. Viewers and sponsorships help creators to keep on creating.
The next holiday conversation topic, have you thought about any New Year's resolution yet?
No, not yet.
For me, I always have new resolutions every couple months. Sometimes things change so fast. It's like I can't wait until January to make a new resolution. I think for 2020, one of my resolutions is to continue to have a work-life balance. For a couple of weeks, I felt like I finally achieved work-life balance. Work-life balance is not like something you get and put on a shelf. It's something you have to keep practicing. Just like with wisdom and health, you don't just gain it and you always have it forever. You need to keep practicing it. I think 2020, I want to be able to balance life more, get like restorative rest, and do more weavings. I've been totally into weavings lately. Should we try the pumpkin pie or the sweet potato? But I feel like the sweet potato with the sauce is gonna be sweeter, so we should probably do the pumpkin pie next.
Yeah, Mina, let's use the cheese cutter.
Okay, cheese cutter.
I think that's better.
So we moved to Washington a couple months ago and our place is still getting set up. Renovation is taking much longer than expected. I don't think we're gonna renovate the kitchen for a while actually, but everything else we will make it more feel like home.
어느 쪽을 자르는 게 좋겠어?
Since I will pick it up for us, maybe I will pick it up with this, so maybe cut that side. It is not a November without pumpkin pie. I remember as a kid, I used to get so excited when we go to the grocery store and then they start serving pumpkin pie around this time. It's the first time I made this, by the way. It's quite thin. I don't know why it makes me think of a bed. It looks cozy.
So crust is...
The crust is made of almond flour and some sifted coconut flour and some eggs. How is it?
This is totally new flavor.
Really? It tastes like a pumpkin pie.
Yeah, it tastes like pumpkin pie, but there's other flavors too. Coconut and nutty and very light.
Oh, actually some people enjoy their pumpkin pie with whipped cream. We can enjoy it with yogurt as well. You know what? I like to be a humble person. I made this and I like it.
I'm not a humble person. Whenever I cook something, it's the best. Mina, I had, when I serve my food to you, Mina, who made it? Right? Who's the chef?
I know sometimes when you cook, you eat something and you're like, oh, this is so good. Who made this?
Mina, I can eat this kind of pumpkin pie as breakfast every day.
I don't know what you want. You want that sweet potato with the sauce.
Yeah.
But you cannot have it until you answer another holiday question. What makes you feel cozy?
Rainy days.
Yes, rainy days.
And looking out, rain.
Oh yes.
And
hearing the sound of rain.
Drinking coffee.
For me, rain, I agree. And then weaving. Even when it's not raining, I weave, I feel cozy. Anything that's meditative, yoga, and wearing the sweats, I'm talking about yin and restorative yoga, not like vinyasa, not like the active yoga. Doing things that are calming is cozy to me. Arts and crafts too. Snuggling with a book. All right, you have earned some sweet potatoes. Woo! You take the top. The top is for you. Yes. My sauce. It's a little thick. It's not a waterfall effect. Gotta have some patience. It's baby food texture. I thought putting nuts on it would be a good combo because a sweet potato will be mushy. Putting the nuts on there will add some crunch. The sauce acts like a binding agent. It holds the nuts and the sweet potato together. I'm pretty full. I'm so thankful that we're doing a moderate mukbang, not like a full-on finish the whole thing. This is a lot of food.
Yeah, I have a New Year's resolution.
Yeah?
I will help you. Whatever you have.
Your New Year's resolution is to help my New Year's resolution come true?
Come true, yes. So, cheering you up.
What do you want from Santa this year? 3, 2, 1.
Nothing.
Yarn. I want Santa's elves. They can help me edit videos. Hope you guys enjoyed eating with us and having some holiday conversations.
Mina, let's have another mukbang before New Year. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Then I can be ready for your question. I didn't know you're gonna ask
No,
some
these
questions.
questions is not for us to be prepared. I didn't even prepare. I just wrote down the questions, but I didn't think about the questions. It's better if it's like spontaneous. Alright, see you guys in the next video and let us know, have you thought about the resolutions for next year? And thanks again to the National Pork Board for sponsoring this video and making all this happen. Toodles, my noodles!
Ta-da!